Wanna please me, I beg you to share the live. Because I want to know that dirty lady and the little boy when I never see, I leave them alone. I don't know why and what door that nigga come through that little boy. We are call up my blood clean name. When I look for me, not have time for go upon nobody blood clot live and watching. Cause me not interested. Me not blood clot interested. And me a bad blood clot girl. If you say new underscore Dali, that's me. Me not need to go upon no other else page and go look for no. This little blood clot or waste boy when him Dewey and Andres Scarlett. I call up my blood clot, me I'm a pitney name. When I remember, you need to tell your blood clot, so-called wife said, for mine your child, tell her for my name, because the end of the day, me don't need to go in a your blood clot inbox, because you see them two on a foot, yeah, no for work. Them two on a foot, yeah, no for work. So let me tell you something, doing. You and your so-called wife, where you claim to say your wife? Mama catch up that phone, I can my phone at charge. Where you claim to say your wife? I talk about all my blood clot, pitney and this and 100 pound miss. Look for me blood clot, good miss. Look for me good. Me, Trisha, would have never ever come in a your blood clot inbox and ask you none miss, because you see me? Me not for my child, me not for my child. What I want me, Trisha, no offer my opinion. Me not need a man or a woman or any blood clot body for my opinion them. So you see when doing a run a film blood clot more little boy, because your sister is a fucking little boy. I regret every blood clot there, but I don't regret my child. I regret that all my blood clots skin up my pussy get it. That one I regret. Yeah, your blood clot mother's production. I run off her blood clot. I tell her something about blood clot, brother. I'm a bad pack of it. Some me not need to go up on your page and nobody page for talk. Anything I have to say, me can blood clot talk that. Cause me not afraid of you and me not afraid of she. So hold that what me say. See it. Mom, you turn off the TV. Go in the room. Go into the room now. See it. Zay, go in the room. Go in the room. Go into your room. I don't want to hear it. Go into your room. Yeah, back to Miss Models production. Because she's a mad blood clot woman. Because when I check the facts and the logic of it, no fucking young boy not sit up with you. Me not come here so, and me not argue over that day. Me not argue over that. I give him the space and I leave him right blood clot them right. For tell us I'm leave him and me not look. Because the end of the day, me a woman of blood clot class. Me a girl of class. So me don't know why me did that though. I really don't. Me not understand. Me really and truly not understand it. How when me that blood clot do. When me really lay down with blood clot, you. So you see when your mother's production attack, tell her logics, tell her facts. Don't fabricate story, my youth. Don't fabricate nothing at all. When you're a dirty lady talking, not fabricate story. It's so now we're bad. Bad Murray, it's so fucking away because me don't remember this woman. And I come blood clot run up more but go in a DM. That will never blood clot happen. From you to see my old page, new underscore savage. And you know see the new page, this a girl and I go on the no bitch page. My bad back at that. But tell about blood clot miss. Who want miss you? You crazy nigga? You sick in your head? But miss? But miss? You mad? Worry about your blood clot raw meat with the pan board. And don't worry about Zay, cause they well comfortable in the blood clot. They well comfortable. Ask your man if him comfortable. Him life sad bad. Him unhappy bad. Bad. Him life unhappy bad. So him not to worry about this. They well blood clot good and taken care of. Yes, the dirty lady under here, they well taken care of, miss. Don't worry about my blood clot child. And I will never come in a your DM. Cause me a bad blood clot girl. Me will never ever. So anybody will come on their page and I tell them send money. Tell your man, check your man. Respond back to him and ask him back if him know who name Trisha. Yeah, me know the dirty lady upon it. I know that. Tell your man, say, ask him back again. Ask him. Cause me Trisha would have never come under your DM. I never go in a your blood clot DM go ask you for no money for my blood clot penny them. Ask him that. Dirty lady, ask him that. You mad? You not see new underscore? Savage or new underscore Dali, the old page. You can't see this girl. So anybody we are texting and tell him for mind him child, him supposed to mind him blood clot child. Because him claim for say him live life. Him supposed to mind the child. Nothing wrong with that. But me, Trisha, would never ever come in a your DM. Ask you for money for my child. You're sick in your head? You mad? I'm so happy it's a fucking shame.
Trish, what happened?
No, she said somebody must text.
Yes, I see a video on Facebook. I see some video on Facebook with some lulele and stuff like that. With whatever. So what's going on? But what I'm saying, my thing is though, why your son have to be in any conversation with anybody on Facebook? Like why he name gotta mention or whatever you guys talk. Why does that have to be? He gotta be in a conversation.
Me no remember this woman, me never see this blood clot woman yet.
Your son
never
is not
ever see this
supposed to
dirty
be.
lady. This mother's blood clot production, me never see her yet. Me never have a conversation, but I have blood clot problem. Because I want to hear when my opinion attack for a blood clot, little boy. She's still upset over blood clot me. She's still having a problem with baby mother. And me don't want her man, and me don't look on her man. And me don't look on her man. There's no way I eat your man talk about it. In talk, say I didn't argue every day over it, baby mother. Your man talk about it, go ask him about it, because everything when talk, in blood clot, say him come back and tell you. If you don't worry about your raw meat, miss, don't worry about blood clots, because they're well taken care of and well good. They is well taken care of and good. Don't worry about your blood clot raw meat with a pan board. And don't worry about my child. I'm going to take care of your little boy. Go and take care of your little boy.
But I don't understand why your son have
a man of a child and blood clot life, and I say me Trisha would have never go past film life.
No, I'm not
film life is me not even know what to say. Baga and rubbish and garbage back up in a one. So them never blood clot go past film life. So you not say no underscore that you would have never seen me under here. So me not to comment. So him if a blood clot, if I made them out there we attack, leave them out of this. Leave blood clots out of this.
They have no right to be in any conversation, adult conversation, whatever is going on, who want to cuss. But I saw a piece of video on Facebook with, like with your son. I don't understand that at all. I don't understand that.
Sorry, everybody has sent me the clip. Everybody has sent me it because I'm just coming from work. Everybody has sent me. I say, what is? When we go up on it and look.
And it doesn't matter what part of the world a man is.
I like send me your makeup. I tell the audacity, tell DOWEY and be able to miss. Go sit your blood clot ass, go take a chair and sit and go look in her life and go look at reality. Because I don't have time for waste to that soul. Me, Trisha, don't have time for waste to that soul. Me not look blood clot follower, and me not look none of it. Me not look it. You see, I'm in a good space of mind. Me not worry about social media. Because me, Trisha, I live for social media. Anything I see, I real life shit. Anything I see, I real life. So me not need for blood clot live for social media. I only live for it. Me not for blood clot, do promotion or not no. For any blood clot in your so life cash. So tell your man, make him know cause he know. Make him tell you a blood clot about it.
But it doesn't matter as long as a man have a child, it doesn't matter what part of the world
No,
he is. A man supposed to take care of the child.
Dumb and stupid, that's what the baby that
the end of the day, even though he's not taking care of your son don't longing for nothing. Your kids don't long for nothing. You handle your kids. So I understand why all this about you and this and child. I don't get it. This is so ridiculous. That's ridiculous. That is so ridiculous. That is so ridiculous. I saw the piece of life and I'm like, what the hell is that? I didn't finish looking at everything. But that is so ridiculous. As long as a man have a child, he's supposed to take care of his child. Point blank. This is so ridiculous. Trish, listen to me.
Remember. Mommy supposed to blood clot. Mine's done that, but he never tell us so when Zelly done on there. For 6 blood clot.
She's on the line. She's on the line.
And tell you. This a bitch when me go school, me never go another class then. Me never go in another class. Me drop asleep in another class, seriously. Me really and truly drop asleep in another class. Me not lie. Me drop asleep in another class.
So okay, Trisha, hold on, Trisha. Who is saying that you do not have any money? Who is saying that queen lady saying that what she mean that he do not have any money? When a man have a child, a man supposed to take care of his responsibility. That's what a man supposed to do. But let me tell you,
him living a life when people say I live. Make him blood clot, pin inherit some out of it. That's all I said. That's all I said. Make your child inherit something out of it. No come on social media, come fabricate blood clot story because me not depend that. Me not time to fabricate nothing. Anything that tell you logic and facts. Simple as blood clot that. Me no need to go through no blood clot. Come on social media live no social media like me not have time for blood clot that. Me not have time for it. Me too busy making my bag. Me Trish, too busy making my blood clot bag.
Trish, listen to me. Are you hearing me? You hearing me?
Yeah.
You say what you for say. These people don't need your energy. They don't need your time. Cut their life and that's it. Leave it alone.
Oh, you said what you said. Right.
Listen,
this little waste blood clot pull the dog. This little puppy. Where the blood clot dirty lady pull and pull and pull and pull. Like seriously. Your brightness. Your blood clot, bro. You yourself want your blood clot now. The last time I checked in depth on the phone, I said, oh, blood clot money for go take care of your raw meat. Go take care of your raw blood clot meat and don't worry about it because they were taking blood clot care of. They were taking care of. And he's supposed to blood clot man there. He's stupid and dumb because I'm going to talk about in nowhere. From India, Jamaica, I'm hungry here. People collect money, not here. People send money. Nigga, you're
I heard he said that.
Stupid.
Listen, I heard he said that and I was shocked he would even say something
it's
like that.
Dumb and
because at the end of the day, when you have a child,
God bless you with one fucking child. Cost for blood clot.
You take care of your responsibility.
And
I know he loves his dad so much and his dad love him. So I'm saying, when I heard he make that statement, I'm like, what statement is that? Like, as long as you're a parent, you take care of your responsibility. But listen to me, Trish. Listen to me. You said your piece. Don't give people that energy. They don't need that. This is not.
I'm not give them no energy, but I just got dirty lady here.
I know.
The mother's production. I'm never worry about her man yet. But do it. But tell us, Miss your blood clot, woman. This one. Your mad, you're sick.
I know you upset.
I'm sick. Blood clot when you see me one here. You're mad. You're crazy about me. Miss what? You're mad. That's it.
Trish, listen to me. Please listen to me. Don't make them get you to that part. You say your part.
What the fuck you do for him? I do something for him. I do something for them.
Everybody knows you take care of your son. You're a good mother and you do what you gotta do. Don't get to that point.
Just keep his pussy, make him live him life. Me never miss nothing.
Buy a house.
Never miss.
Girl, kids will sort out
people to buy a house. Sitting here blood clot and miss. Go and take your bipolar pill, them. Go and take your bipolar pill. You must have delusion it. I must have your blood clot, though.
Should take you off. Trish, that's it. Cut the lights off. Go relax and have some wine.
Stop with my blood clot, all lady. Don't size up blood clot with me, because you see me young and fresh and active. I'm still like a dirty woman here.
All right, done it.
Go take care of your blood clot, little boy. Go and take care of your little boy. Go take care of blood clot, little boy. I'm pity them now wear promotion clothes. Don't blood clot, write yourself with me. Don't fuck yourself with me, woman. Come you wait till the blood clot go Jamaica and book a ticket and make me a blood clot. As it out down there. You're bright in a blood clot. Go take care of little boy.
Trish. All right, Trish, cut off now. That's it. Cut off the live. That's it. Cut off the live. Let me call you. Cut off the live. Go drink some wine. Let me call you. That's not you. I know you upset. I know. Because when Trisha, listen. I know.
I leave them right there because I don't interested.
I know, and I know, and I know. I know exactly what you're saying. All right, so I'm telling you now.
Yes, there is blood clot good.
Exactly.
That is good. What I'm father do are not in blood clot good, but the end of the fucking day, him want some blood clot prayer and social media, him from mine in blood clot child. Stop listening for the fucking media. Me not listen to media. Me, Trisha, not listen to media. Stop listening for the media, nigga. And check your blood clot, pitney. Yeah, your blood clot, man. One blood clot suitcase and run down the blood clot aisle. Because only don't make one. The other day, I go to Jamaica see him. But not tell you when a girl left a man or a man left a girl, them that look 100% better. The boy see a blood clot bad. None of them make one. None of only don't make one. So all the blood clot me for one you. You crazy nigga? Tell the blood clot people and say me left you. And me done with you. Tell the people them that. You're sick in your blood clot head. If your blood clot, woman is sick you and yam. Tell the people them that. You're bright in a blood clot.
That's crazy.
Go and take care of your blood clot, little boy, and don't worry about Zay over your son. Telling me,
you want to come to the driveway? You want me to drive if you come? Trish, cut me off in the light.
And don't worry about it. Because when I do it, our blood clot not, they are alright. Full, girl. I want to talk a dirty woman here. Dirty lady, go clean your mouth, can your mouth. Go and clean the corner of your mouth. But full, girl, go warm up your big stinking blood clot pussy and check it, dirty lady. You're bright in a blood clot.